Suheal had big dreams, but no skills, no job, and no direction. Until one day, he discovered SkillArc Technologies, a platform to master real-world skills. With structured training and expert mentors, Suheal began his transformation. Day by day, skill by skill, he kept building, learning, improving. And then came his first milestone, a SkillArc certification in AI and cloud. Soon after, a call changed everything. He got placed in a top MNC, from student to software professional. Suheal's journey had just begun. SkillArc changed Suheal's life. Now it's your turn. Enroll today. Want more stories like Suheal's? Subscribe now.